In here, we want to display all of the individual products. So first, we need to add a partial view. Partial views we will be adding inside the shared folder. So we will right click, add view here, and we'll go with the razor view. Here we have a checkbox for create as partial view and what name we want. Now naming of partial view should start with underscore, and that helps you easily identify partial view versus the other views that you have in your application. So right here I'm going to name this individual product card. It will be an empty without model. Let's add this. Since this is a partial view, there won't be any controller's action method that will be calling this partial view. You will be calling this partial view from another view. In this case, it will be the index view. So that being said, in the index view, we need to call that partial view where we want to display all the product. So right here, we have a tag helper, which is partial, and we have name. Name should match exactly as what is the name of the individual product card. If there is spelling mistake here, this will not work. Then what we want to display, we need to pass a model here. The model that we want to pass here is the individual product, which is right here. So we'll pass that to our partial view, and that will be the model for the individual product card. So what type is this prod? That prod is actually an individual product. So right here, the model will be at model. We have rocky.models.product. So what we want to do is we want to display a card for each product. So for that, rather than typing all the Bootstrap code, I have the snippets in section 5, and we have individual product UI. So here we'll copy this Bootstrap styling that we have and we'll paste it right here. Before we do anything at all, let's run the application and see how things look like. Great, right here we see 7 product, and that's what we have in our database. We need to display product name, price, image, category name, application type, short description, and we have a view details button. So let's go back and edit those. So if we switch back to the template, which is purely Bootstrap, we have product.name. So product.name is inside model. So right here, we'll go to model. We have the name. Next, we have product.price. So this is again model.price. Perfect. Then let's take a look at the image here. We need the SRC. So for the SRC, we have the WC, which is the constants. We have the image path in there. And then we need to append model.image for the file name. Then we want to display the category name. So that is inside at model.category.name. Since if you go inside the home controller, we are eager loading category and application type. So this will be populated. Right here, we'll have model.applicationtype.name, and we have model.shortDescription. We have the button to view details. So let me just add the action method for that. So ASP action, we will create a new action called as details inside the home controller. Since this will be inside the same controller where the parent view is, we do not need to define the controller name here. Along with that, when a user clicks on the detail, we need to pass them what product they want to view. So we'll pass the ID here, and this will be at model.id. Once you do this, if you save this and refresh, your page will look completely different. Great, you can see everything has been aligned and things are looking much better now. With that in place, let's continue in the next video.